Hello friends, I welcome you all to today's session. Dear children, I promise today's session is going to be as colorful as your screen. So let us begin. Okay, so I have brought an assignment and we are going to do the part 1 of this assignment today. Now as you know that whenever we finish some grammar topics, we always apply the gained knowledge in the form of an assignment. So let us practice our grammar section today. Now in today's grammar section, we are going to talk about the exercises related to future continuous tense. Now dear children, we have already done future continuous tense in the previous session, right? What was that? Yes. See the example before you on the screen. I will be staying here until Sunday. The postman will be coming soon. Now we have done this tense in the previous session, and just to recall, in the sentences we have helping verb will be plus first form of the verb and ing. Alright? So whenever we have helping verb and first form of the verb with ing, the helping verb is will be in future continuous tense. Okay? Then the sentences are in future continuous tense. Okay, now the rules are there before us. When we want to make affirmative sentences, we have subject plus will be plus V1 ing and object. When we want to make negative sentences, we add the word not in between will and be. Alright? And when we want to change it into an interrogative sentence, we just take our helping verb will and put it in front of the subject, means before our subject. The rest of the things remain same. And of course, when you have a combination of interrogative and negative, then both the rules will apply. Your interrogative will come before the subject and then we will add the word not. Dear children, we have done this tense in detail in the previous sessions, alright? So it is a revision for you. So we have a very lovely picture before us. And what does the sentence says? She will be dreaming until 11 o'clock tonight. Now again, this is an affirmative sentence and yes, the tense used in this sentence is future continuous tense. So just to make you understand more about it, whenever we have the time duration between present and future, and ongoing activity in the future comes in future continuous, or is it also called future progressive tense. Okay? And again, the rule we are revising, dear children, so that it is stick to your mind. Now let us move further. So now is the time to do an exercise. Are you ready? Yes. Let us see what do we have. Hey, so as I promised that the session is going to be as colorful as your screen and we have colorful pictures before us. It's always a fun to do an exercise based on pictures. Now let us see. Say what these people will be doing. Now here we have the blanks. So we are going to say as well as we are going to write. Alright? Wherever you are doing, dear children, do the work neat and clean in your English notebook. Okay? So let us have the first picture. Sarah dash write letters. Now they will be doing means we have to use future continuous tense. Okay? Now verb given to us is write. So what should come? What is the helping verb for future continuous tense? Yes, you're right. It is will. Alright. So Sarah will be. And we use the first form with ing, that becomes writing. Now dear children, do take care of the spellings, that when we add ing, sometimes there are changes in the spellings. Just like we have here, write becomes writing, W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Okay, so Sarah will be writing letters and put a full stop at the end of the statement. Number 2, hey, there's a boy having a cake. So Tommy celebrate his birthday. Now what should come? Yes, Tommy will be. Again, always the helping verb is will be in future continuous tense, and celebrate will be changed to celebrating. Again, we have to be careful about the spelling which we use. Okay. So celebrating. E will not come. Alright. Let us see the third picture, dear children. The phone dash ring loudly. Now same way, the helping verb is will be. Okay. And ring will be changed to ringing, and that there is no change in spelling. Simply add the word ing to the verb ring and it becomes ringing. Alright? Yes. I'm sure you're going to write much neatly than I am writing with this laser pen. Alright, in the next picture we can see a girl and she is carrying a lot of things in her hand, and of course she is happy. So Lena dash, the verb given to us is do some shopping. Put a full stop at the end. So what it will be? Yes, Lena will be doing. Okay? I'm sure dear children you're getting your answers correct. This is a very simple tense. We just have to understand that whatever our subject is, the helping verb remains will be. Okay? So I'll read out the sentences once again for you. Number 1 is Sarah will be writing letters. Number 2, Tommy will be celebrating his birthday. Number 3, phone will be ringing loudly. Number 4, Lena will be doing some shopping. Let us move and see the next set of things. So here we have 4 more pictures. Now let us see. Thomas, in bracket, ride his bike. Now let us do the thing that I am not going to share the answers with you immediately. You apply your knowledge, write your answers, and then before wrapping up the session, I will share the answers with you. Okay? So you can see in the picture, Thomas dash ride his bike. Next, a boy is, yes, he is singing because we can see the musical notes. So Leo sing Christmas carols. Next, there are so many people in a car. George and his friends visit Rome. Next, Paul do judo. Yes, he is wearing a judo dress. See, pictures and illustrations always help us to increase our creativity, right? Yes. Now I'm sure you must have got all these answers correct in future continuous tense. So let me show you more pictures. Okay, we have John graduate from university. Mike and Pam get married. Next, the band play in a concert. And next, Tom fly by plane. So we have the verbs graduate, get married, play, fly. You have to see that what they will be doing. Means you have to use these verbs in future continuous tense to fill in the blanks. So I'm sure you must have got it all correct. Yes, it's very simple. Just apply your helping verbs and the first form of the verb is given to you. Add ing to them. Of course, you should be careful for the spellings. So let us see the previous slide and write the answers. So we have Thomas dash. Now the helping verb is yes. It's a time to check your answers. Thomas will be and write will be changed to riding. And see the spelling R-I-D-I-N-G. Alright. Thomas will be riding his bike. Yes, next dear children, Leo. Yes, what it will be? You're right. Leo will be singing. Okay? And there is no major change in the spelling. Just add the word ing to your verb sing and it becomes singing. Okay? Leo will be singing Christmas carols. Now next, George and his friends. Yes, it will be George and his friends will be visiting. Again, just first form of the verb is given to us. So we will add the word ing to our main verb and it becomes visiting. Yes, isn't it easy, dear children? Yeah. Now next we have Paul do. Now same way Paul will be doing judo. Okay. So please take care of all your spellings and correct your mistakes if any. So now let me read out the statements again for you. Thomas will be riding his bike. Leo will be singing Christmas carols. George and his friends will be visiting Rome. Paul will be doing judo. Now here you just see that even if your subject is singular, like Thomas, Leo, Paul, they are all names. Or even if our subject is plural, like George and his friends, our helping verb does not change. Alright, it is always will be. Now let us move to the next. So we have John will be graduating. Okay, will be. Graduate is the verb here and we'll change it to ing. Just see the spelling Graduating. E will not come. Alright, Graduating. Next, Mike and Pam. So they are plural. Still, the helping verb remains will be. Mike and Pam will be. Now here, what is the verb? Get or married? Yes, the verb is get. So get will be changed to getting. Okay, will be getting married. Alright. There is no change in the word married because get is your verb. So ing is added to getting. Getting. Now next, the band play in a concert. So again, band is a collective noun. We have done a session based on collective noun as well. Right? Dear children, when we read the things, we are able to revise so many things. Right? They are nouns. Then what kind of noun is this? So you can take it as a revision of many topics. So come back to the tense. The band will be playing in a concert. Now next, Tom will be flying. Okay. Now see the spelling. Simply add ing to the verb fly and it becomes flying. Alright. Now let us see the statements. John will be graduating from university. Mike and Pam will be getting married. The band will be playing in a concert. Tom will be flying by plane. Now before we wrap up the session, just have a quick view at our exercises. So these people will be doing, we have filled up all the sentences with the will be and verb first form ing rule because they are future continuous tense. Sarah will be writing letters, Tommy will be celebrating his birthday, the phone will be ringing loudly, Lena will be doing some shopping, Thomas will be riding his bike, Leo will be singing Christmas carols, George and his friends will be visiting Rome. Paul will be doing judo. John will be graduating from university. Mike and Pam will be getting married. The band will be playing in a concert. Tom will be flying by plane. So these are our sentences in future continuous tense. Now we can even give time reference of future in these sentences. Like the band will be playing in a concert next year. Tom will be flying by plane this time tomorrow morning. John will be graduating from university in 2 years. Mike and Pam will be getting married soon. So, right, we can even attach the time frames or future time frames to our sentences. Now that is all for today's session. I'm sure this grammar exercise would have proved beneficial to you in terms of an application of your gained knowledge, in terms of a good practice. So till we meet again, keep learning and take care.